Hi, hopefully your day is going well so far. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot and I want to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of June. And also like the video. So in today's video, this will be about buying my dad's car, putting it on the back of a trailer, offloading it at my place, and washing it. So this Jaguar is an XJ6 with a 350 Chev motor in it. If you don't know what a 350 Chev is, it's basically an old LS1 or a V8. gave it a wash. We put a husky plum in it, which was my dad's old one. So we cleaned all the wheels, and yeah, here's a finished product. Ugh, you farted. So it's not the stock motor, it's got a V8, it's an old LS basically.
350 Chev.
Yeah, 350 Chev. Used to have an inline 6, 3 litre something, or 2 litre. No, really? It was inline 6 on car sales.
Maybe.
It's got aftermarket wheels, I'm guessing lowered springs.
Aftermarket tranny, turbo 400.
Yeah. Different motor, different tranny. Maybe different interior.
Yeah, custom interior.
Yeah. So, a few things wrong with it, which will be probably next video, but
It hasn't been running in 11 years.
yeah. I don't know if they can hear you, but I'm gonna say it anyway.
Yeah.
It hasn't been running in 11 years. This is, what do they call this, a pipe? No, radiator hose has been like crap, split. So we need to fix that before we start it, drain all the fluids, put new fuel and coolant and oil in it, then we'll start it. It's got a hood scoop, that's aftermarket. It used to have no hood scoop and then the intake, yeah, that's what you call it. Intake popping out through it. If you enjoyed the video, and if you're the first time watching, please subscribe, it helps me out so much, and like the video if you haven't already. Tell me down in the comments what you want to see next, and have a great day.